Hey guys, it's Natalia.Armoni and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be reviewing and installing this wig that I received from Wiggins hair. And I know, as you can tell by the title, I'll be using some new adhesive today. I'll be trying out the Hair by Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive plus the Hold Me Down skin guard. So you guys don't want to miss out on this. I'm not even going to spoil you the tea. Y'all just going to have to watch it to see how I feel about this glue. So I'm gonna stop talking and let you get right into the video. But wait, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Just go down there, you know, in the description box and hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of the fam. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so jumping right into the video, as you already can see, I already did my ball cap off camera, just for time purposes, because I don't want my videos to be too long. Okay, so really quick guys, this hair is from Wiggins hair. This is the box in the package. It came with a silk scarf, 2 wig caps, an information card, elastic band, and then it also came with a silk bag that you can put your wig in once you take it off. Here is the wig. They sent me over their 13x4 transparent, hold on, I don't know, this is a, I can't remember if this is a 13x4 or 13x6. Looking at it, it might be a 13x6, but like always, I'll leave all the information on the hair down below. This is their loose deep wave texture. This is 24 inches, and look at all this lace that is inside. Like, I don't know if it's something new with the wig companies, but I have noticed a lot of wigs that I've been receiving lately comes with lace that goes all the way down on the side as well, not just in the middle, and I really appreciate that. So on the inside, it has 1, 2, 3 combs, adjustable straps in the back. Honestly, I never use these combs, and they just dig into my scalp, so I'm going to remove these 2 combs and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is now. I removed the 2 combs, and all I did was just use a razor, and I just saw at the thread, and it just comes right off. It's so easy. And what I'm going to do before I apply the wig is I'm going to take my Ruby Quick Kisses, and this is in RDF 15, and I'm going to take the lighter shade right here, and I'm going to put it on the lace, because this is transparent lace, and you see how it's melted, but then it can also give off a little white cast. Okay, so this is how the inside of the wig is looking now that I put the foundation on it. So the wig is fitting very nice and snug, not too big, not too small. I don't know why, like recently I've been getting a lot of wigs that's been too small. So we're just gonna pin the hair back so we can begin to cut the air tabs. And by the title, I know you guys already know, today I'll be trying out a new lace glue, Hold Me Down adhesive by Ericka J. I wanted to try this lace glue for so long, ever since I knew she came out with a lace glue. I finally got my hands on it because, sis, this stuff sells out. Like, as soon as it hit the site, it sells out. I just got my hands on the small one for now, but I'm pretty sure if I like it, then I'm gonna go repurchase and get at least the medium or the large one. And I also picked up the skin guard because, guys, like, I don't know what I was doing not using like a protectant or something like this. This is supposed to help to the install last longer. It helps with the glue because this glue is supposed to be waterproof. So I know she said when you use this, that's how you really get the full capability of the glue. So I'm very excited to try this. Like, girl, we about to get into it. And if y'all don't know who Ericka J is, since you've been under a rock, she is a YouTuber. She does lace frontals installs, she does sewings, she do it all. Like, I learned a lot of tricks and tips from her. So I just knew I just had to support my sis. And when she launched this glue, I just know it's gonna be this. Let's start. First, I'm gonna start by cleaning off my hairline with some alcohol because I do have makeup on right now. Alcohol is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put this skin guard, and it has like a little spray pump. When I watched her video, she just sprayed it on, and she also sprayed it on the lace. I'm still gonna spray some on the cotton just to make sure I like really get it on my hairline where I want it, where I'm gonna apply the glue. It has like a weird smell. Like it's like it smells good, but then it don't. So now that the skin guard is dry, I'm going to begin to apply the glue. I do a layer on the cap first. And I'm going to smooth it out with my little spatula tool. Okay guys, so the first layer is already dry, and this glue is dry, clear. Okay, so now let's go in with the second layer. Okay guys, so the glue is completely dry, clear. The reason why it's like clumped up right here is because my wig cap started to lift back and I didn't cut off the excess, so it just got a little messy, but it's not the glue, it's the cap. So since this glue dries up like super clear, you want to make sure you get like a mirror and you get really close, because you want to make sure you just lay it in the glue. And you don't want no like excess glue outside the lace. So make sure you guys are getting really close so you can really see what you're doing. I also want to say this is probably one of the best pre-plucked wigs that I ever received. Like, I really didn't have to do any plucking. This wig was plucked to perfection, like on its own. Okay, now let's get to cutting the lace. I like to cut my lace in sections. If I walked out like this. What lace? What lace?
That lace.
Where? I don't see no lace.
That one.
Where? I'm gonna let that go ahead and melt. I'm gonna let that go ahead and melt for a couple minutes. Oh, you know what that drink is? Not going nowhere. Nowhere. Melted. So now using the same razor that we use To cut our lace, we're gonna cut our baby hairs. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go in with my mousse. I know Ericka J did come out with her own like product line as well, like with mousses and stuff, and I am gonna get my hands on it, but it was sold out when I went to go get the glue, so I'm just gonna use the one that I normally use. So I let the wrap sit for a good amount of time. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna style this hair yet. I might just wear it to the side. Spray bottle with water so we can get these curls back popping. This brush is really good for detangling hair, especially wet hair and curly hair. I got this brush from my local beauty supply store. I know some of you may ask. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of my mousse and put it all over. This is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. All the hair information will be down below. Also, I am going to leave the link to this lace glue down below because I could already tell I'm about to cancel boho and just be on the hold me down train, because when I say this wig is tacked down like never before, this glue is waterproof. So I will be testing that out to see if it's true, but it's going to be on my Instagram. It's always down below in the description box, so just head on down there so you guys can go follow me. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Again, I want to thank Wiggins Hair for sending me over this beautiful wig. This is so vacation ready. Too bad that we're all quarantined with nowhere to go, because I sure would book a flight and throw this wig right on, okay? Y'all stay safe out there, and I love you all like always, and I see you in my next video.